Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your Chromebook supports Linux apps or Android and that you have enough storage. This matters because emulation and game files are large. Enable developer or Linux beta options and settings now, then plug in a reliable power source so the system won't throttle. Once done, connect a wired Ethernet or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce latency, and attach a USB hub so you can manage controller, external drive, and peripherals concurrently. Now you install and configure. Open the Linux terminal, run updates, and install Steam or Lutris depending on titles you want. Use Flatpak if needed. Configure controller mapping in Steam input, and, if available, enable GPU acceleration or Android Arc optimizations to improve frame delivery. Adjust display scaling to a 16:9 resolution and set the Chromebook to high performance mode. This reduces thermal throttling. Make sure downloaded game folders are on the external or micro SD storage to preserve internal space. Finish by optimizing and testing. Launch a game and dial graphics down until you reach a smooth, consistent frame rate. You want stability over max settings. Test controller input and network latency. Switch to Ethernet or enable router co-S for gaming priority if ping spikes. If you hit crashes or black screens, inspect system logs in Cristini, update or reinstall GPU drivers, and undo experimental flags you enabled. This often resolves regressions. One key tip: keep backups of config files before each change so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.